Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you where you can find all of the digital codes to all of the digital products that you've purchased through your Amazon account. So to do this, we're going to head on over to Amazon.com. I'll link their webpage right at the top of the video description. Once you're logged into your Amazon account, what you want to do is hover over where it says Account and Lists, and then go down and click where it says Your Account. And then once you're in your account page, what you want to do is go down to the area where it says digital content and devices. And then it's going to be digital games and software if those are the digital codes that you're looking for. So we're going to click on that. And then all of your digital items should be found in this area. So for instance, I purchased a Nintendo Switch 12-month individual membership digital code, and that redemption code shows up right here. This is what I need to enter in over, for instance, in my Nintendo Switch to redeem this particular digital code at 12-month membership. And the same thing is going to apply with digital games as well. You'll get your redemption code. All of those codes to all of the different games and other things that you've bought digitally should show up in this area. And you redeem those codes on whichever platform that you're looking to have those digital items. So I hope this video was helpful, showing you exactly where you can locate and access all of the redemption codes for the digital codes and digital items that you purchase through your Amazon account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.